Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings, 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 my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are doing good. Anyway, me come here to touch on some topics, Yeah, man, but me I go start off like this. A 58-year-old Westmoreland painter has been charged with rape, grievous sexual assault, and sexual touching of his stepdaughter. My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear wagwan? Earlier today, me put up a video, and talk about them something, Earlier, me put up a video and talk about this. And now you have a 50-year-old man, 50-year-old man raping his stepdaughter. Wanna see what me I try show you? Wanna see all these things? These people are crazy. These people are crazy. They see the little pitney them, the little girl them are always harm the pitney them. I don't know for what reason. Something is really wrong with these people. Them are people that is so evil. They is so evil. And as I said before in my last video, I'm going to say it again. You see them are people here. You see when time they ain't go court, them people are not forget no bail, Because enough of the time I see they rape people. And when they ain't go court, they always get bail. Them are people here not forget no bail. Them are people here not for see back road. You can't imagine? You can't imagine? You can't imagine? Yeah, stepfather, a trouble. Then stepdaughter, them are something wrong. And as I said, a lot of people are going through this, A lot of pitney, a lot of students, a lot of pitney is going through this, my wisdom warriors, right now. And through they feel embarrassed. They don't tell nobody. They don't tell anybody. And sometimes as well, what the man them a do, I give them sweets. You understand? And I groom them. Them are something here is unacceptable. Them are something here is unacceptable. Yeah. Some of the parents, them forget blame too. Some of the mothers, them forget blame too. Because some of them trust the man them too much. They have them pitney. They have them stepdaughter. And them a go to road. They have them pitney. And them a go to road. And like if left them pitney, I'll one with stepfather. All them something there. Because them think, them trust the man, Them trust the man. But when you don't have gal pitney, you have to keep an eye on a gal pitney. Always be observant. Always be very observant. Don't get too comfortable. When you hear what I told you, do not get comfortable, my wisdom warriors, because enough of these things, it happen right now, It happen right now. I just show people now come out and talk. And you have enough parents to know what go on. You have enough mothers to know what go on. But you they don't want to left your man. You don't know that too. You don't know that too. Enough of them are true, they don't want to left your man. They don't say nothing. Them are something here is not right. It is not right. But don't tell me how you feel about this. An elderly man falls in a hole and his children are very, very concerned. The children of 79-year-old Lincoln Nicholson are seeking answers as their father fell in a hole in the Lyson Main Road section of the Southern Coastal Highway just outside of Morant Bay, St. Thomas. When I hear them, my viewers and subscribers, upon Main Road this happening, Upon Main Road this happened, the man fell in a hole. You see all them something here? You see all these things? You see say, when we come out and I tell the government, say, fix the road. You see what go on? You see what go on? Mighty God, seriously. All them are something here. All these things in a 2024 shouldn't be happening. These things in 2024 should not be happening. How can a hole upon Main Road? How can a hole upon Main Road? Them are sitting here need to be fixed. The road they need to be fixed. You understand? I'm telling you all the way, so the road that cause accident and mash up people car. I mash up a taxi man them car and people car. Seriously, a whole heap of taxi man pay a whole heap of money to fix them car. The way or the road them full of pothole. And look now, pothole Pothole gone now down to hole in a road. Man fell it. What kind of, what galang? What galang? Eh? What really going on? What is really going on? This man is a 79-year-old man, you know. Suit on 80, you know. Suit on 80. I go about in business and fell in a hole. My box cover. Seriously, my viewers and subscribers, I didn't get any more information on this. But when me get the information, me definitely I can update on upon this because them are sitting here slackness. How this a 79-year-old man if he drop in a hole, if he fell in a hole? Eh? Hole in a main road. Rotted hole. Me tell you say the government is a joker. Me tell you say this government is a waste of time government. Is a waste of time. Anybody will live in a this area. I want to go and video that they hold it for me and send it come give me. You can DM me through Instagram. You know how the things set already. And also you can find me on TikTok. You hear me? The link I got there in the comment section. Please, anybody live in that area and watching this channel, you go take a picture of the hole or you video it and let me see what go on. Because they must me a nonsense. They must me a nonsense. The hole is on the Lessons Main Road section of Southern Coastal Highway, just outside of Murray Bay, St. Thomas. Yeah? So anybody in the St. Thomas area, I want to do me a favor there and go take picture of that the hole there because them are sitting here need to stop. And saying that, my wisdom warriors, the government is spending 40 billion only on consultation for road improvement project under Sparks. You hear what I just say? The government are going to spend 40 billion. 40 billion only on consultation, you know. Only on consultation. Might as well then take the 40 billion and give it to the NWA. Might as well then take the 40 billion and give it to the NWA so they can start doing them do. Oh, they mean so they must spend 40 billion. 40 billion just for consultation, you know. By the time them done, you know, they not gonna have no money left to fix the road. They not gonna have no money left to fix the road, you know, my wisdom warriors. Me said them are people here, they ever go backward. They ever go backward. So them have to go fuck up $40 billion just for begin, you know, begin consultation for road improvement. Me rotted wall. Me never see this yet. And you know say when them start do that the consultation there, it will go take 1 to 2 years. And then when them done the consultation, you go hear them say no more money in there for fix the road. You know make no sense. Them must me and don't make no sense. How comes you not spend so much money just for start a consultation? Just for start it. Them must me is ridiculous. You know say what happened to the man? The man fell in a hole on main road. You know waste time. You know really a time wasters. My wisdom warrior, when me see this, me say me have to make you see what go on. Me have to come tell you what go on. And in the article, me see this, you know. Me couldn't believe when me see them have to go spend 40 billion only on consultation. It not even make no sense when you can give that 40 billion to the NWA if you start doing them do. It don't just a time waster, man. You just love a waste money. Because I can't believe say 40 billion for consultation. You not waste of time. You not really don't want to help the people, you know. You really do not want to help the people. Seriously. You only come out and say, we not spend this. That. You know, say the Auditor General need to do an audit for all these things. All this money, the Auditor General need to start audit the money them. Seriously. This is ridiculous. It is ridiculous, my wisdom warriors. But you know, tell me what you think about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, I don't know if many of you seen this going around. Anyway, me see it going around. Now, when me don't know. When me read it, me say, boy, them are people are lie, them are spread propaganda. So, this is what they put out. Protesters outside the Supreme Court in downtown Kingston today, where PNP bigwig and former road manager for PNP, President Mark Golding, Julian Silveira, have arrived at court. So, honestly, so right, that's how them are spread lies. Honestly, that. Meanwhile, Mark Golding was in Florida. Mark Golding was leaving Jamaica that same very day when it was Silveira case. Yeah? That same very day. and fly out with his wife, gone to Florida. Wanna hear them something, me and my viewers and subscribers? When me looking at the article, at that me see pop up. So when me see it, me I say, no man, why they must spread propaganda? Yes, they must spread propaganda, and this is what I decided to do. Look at this. So me write fake news pan it and write, if you don't read it, you know see when me write, that me do, and I send it around. Una need to stop it. Una little labor right. Una need to stop tell lie. Pa Mark Golding. Mark Golding fly out. Mark Golding wasn't in the country when all of them bangarang are going. So una need to stop spread lies. Una see how them lie, my viewers and subscribers. Una see it. Me just a show una, you know. Me just a show una these things as evidence. How them lie. And it is a big platform. Big platform doing all these things. This is why I put it in the community so everybody could see what is going on. Maybe someone not see it, someone not going on my YouTube community, but I always tell you guys, me always put things in my YouTube community. So no always check for updates in the community, because enough things me not talk about on the channel, but me will put it in the community. So when me see my viewers and subscribers, me say, no man, me have to write fake news pan this year. So that me do and me send it around. These things need to stop. This is what they do, the labor right them. Yes, man, this is what they do. And then turn it around and I try switch it pan the PNP. Say PNP spread propaganda. When a them a do it. When a them a do it, you understand? Mark Golding was leaving Jamaica. Was flying out. You understand? When the whole heap of them bangarang a court business are go on. And the people, them a spread lie, put up picture, long time picture. Me tell you about them. Me tell you about them, my viewers and subscribers. And when me see these things, anytime when I see these things, and I can't stand it, come give me. Because they need to stop it. It is not right. Oh, no lie and so wicked man and evil, man. Eh? Oh, no so wicked and evil. Listen, when you no come out, man, you no fit talk truth. This show no say uno no love Jamaican people. A party uno love. Uno no love uno country. A party uno love. Uno labor right. Uno fi cut out the die-hearted now. The die-hearted mentally come like a slavery uno in. Uno fi cut that out, man. Cut out that. That no make no sense. Uno in the darkness for too long. Uno come in the light now. Seriously. And knowledge is light. Knowledge is light. Lack of knowledge is darkness. Una lack of knowledge, that's why una in the dark for so long. You understand? And people like we come out and I try bring una in the light, but una no want to come in the light. Really and truly, una don't want to come in the light. But my viewers and subscribers, una tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Both government and opposition members of the Integrity Commission IC Oversight Committee are questioning the circumstances which led former People's National Party PNP Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Central, Julian being charged for breaching the IC Act. You understand me? So basically right now, what Julian Robinson do, he want information because this is not right. Remember, so the man submit in documents them. Yeah? Remember, he did submit on time, but they needed additional documents. And what happened was the man submit those additional documents later. And then write him a letter and say to him, say everything is okay. Everybody say me put out the letter before. So what is going on right now? Julian Robinson cannot understand what is happening. So he need an explanation right now. He want the IC to come out and explain to them what is going on. What is all this? Because after the man submit it, you understand? After the man submit it, yeah, and then write him a letter and say everything good. What is all this? And I do not blame Julian Robinson for dip on the case. He's doing the right thing. I do not blame him. Because I don't know what the IC a play at. I just don't understand what they're doing in these circumstances. Because if you ask for additional documents and the man bring it in late, yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. 3 years later, after I go take him go court, it don't make no sense. So I like how Julian Robinson a step on them. Yes, I like how he's determined because he want them to come out and explain what is the reason why it led to this. After una send him out a letter, make it make sense. And we all waiting for this. And the next thing, Integrity Commission, una need to come out and update on our website also. And make the people of Jamaica know say Vaz is not one of the 6. You need to make everybody know that Julian Vaz is not one of the 6. You need to update on a system, man. You need to stop this bullshit. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this and put honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, remember to run over my TikTok or run over my IG. The link I got in the comment section and follow me, alright? Bless upon a nice clean self. I'm out.